You understand every word in meetings, every question in interviews, every email, every presentation. While speaking English, your mind checks grammar and your sentence breaks. You know the English, but grammar interrupts you while speaking. In meetings, grammar confusion makes you pause, right? But when it's your turn to speak, your mind freezes, your sentence breaks, your confidence drops because grammar confusion. And that grammar confusion destroys clarity under pressure as well. Professionals don't fail because of vocabulary. They fail because they think in fragments. You just translate in your head, you overthink grammar rules and you hesitate. And hesitation at work is expensive. One pause in a meeting, 1 weak answer in an interview, and one unclear sentence in front of seniors, that's how opportunity quietly passes you. This is Public Speaking Pro. We don't teach theory English, we don't teach school grammar, and we definitely don't teach theory without practical. We fix how professionals think while speaking because clear speech starts with clear grammar. We use a system called the G-Force method. With the help of this G-Force method, you will learn the grammar with a powerful practice. You don't learn English here, you will train it. You practice the grammar here until the grammar becomes automatic. You speak under pressure again and again until hesitation disappears. That's when English stops being a subject and becomes a skill. You will learn with the practice, you will get clear grammar. When you get the clear grammar, you will get clear thinking. When you get the clear thinking, automatically you will have that confidence in your speech. Public Speaking Pro is not for everyone. This is only for working professionals who are serious about their communication and serious about their growth. Limited seats, we take only 5 professionals per batch. Do you know why? Because real transformation needs personal connection, live speaking practice, and individual feedback. Before joining this, you know the English, but you were struggling to speak because of grammar confusion. But after joining to this Public Speaking Pro, you will think clearly, you will speak smoothly, and you will never ever hesitate to speak in your meetings, in your presentations, and in your interviews. You speak automatically, calmly, and confidently. When you speak clearly, people will listen. When people will listen, you will get noticed. And you sound senior. Even before the role, you face interviews without fear. You handle meetings. Confidence in communication turns into career growth. And you will get promotions, leadership roles, and respect in the society as well. AI is running the world, skills are changing. But one thing will never lose value. That is clear human communication under the pressure. If you master this now, your future is protected. If you delay, feedback stays the same every year into your communication. If you delay, every time you stay quiet, someone else takes your place because opportunities don't wait for confidence. If you delay, you will watch others move ahead while you stay silent. If you delay, you will watch others move ahead while you stay silent. The question is simple. How long will grammar confusion control your voice at work? Think, guys.